Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you an easy recipe, an easy side dish which we can make with spinach and a little bit of corn. So I've just taken spinach and finely chopped and washed them nicely. Now I'm just taking a kadai. I'm going to add little water and I'm going to add some roughly chopped onions and a roughly chopped tomato and also a little bit of garlic and green chili. I've taken 2 green chilies and then I'm also going to boil jeera along with it, and I'm going to take salt as per taste, and I will add the chopped spinach to this. Let it cook for some time. So after this becomes soft and cooked, let us just cool it down in a mixer jar and later grind it and keep it aside. Now separately I'm going to boil 1 cup of peeled corn kernels, and in a kadai let's take little bit of ghee, add little bit of oil and whole garam masala which you get in the market, then half a tablespoon of red chili powder, then 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder, and then I'm going to add the palak puree which we had cooled and grinded and kept it aside. Now I will add the boiled corn kernels and just let the mixture boil for some time, and our dish is ready to be served with rice or roti. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe, like and share.